Welcome to Baby Tiger World, brand new YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a Christmas tree craft. We're gonna need these Christmas trees and some other decorations. So let's get started. First we put these Christmas trees together like this. Then we take our two stars, remove the back side and only stick the edge right here. Now we put it a bit up, or if you want to keep it like this, just stick it on top like that. Just like that. Now we have the star. Now we're gonna put the stockings. Now we're gonna put the Christmas stockings because we're finished with the star. Each stocking comes on each side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and another one, 9. Now that we have the Christmas stockings, now we can put the ornaments. Now, these are the red ornaments hanging on the tree. Now, we're gonna put the tasty, delicious candy canes. Now we're gonna do the fantastical, magical, chili snowflakes. Ta-da! This is our homemade Christmas tree. If you want to do some more of these amazing stuff, please subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel. And if you want more crafts and do the crafts you want or you like, please tell it on the email address given below. Bye bye. We love you. Mwah.